This is Blabby, and today I'm going to show you how to compress a video to its original size. By original size I mean to compress small sizes. Like if you have a if you have a game file, if you have a walkthrough file, and and this like 3 GB 4 GB something like I have over here. It's, as you can see, it's 2.07 MB GB, sorry, GB, and I'm gonna compress that to somewhere around 50 to 70 MB. Now it depends that you can it depends on your file format that the quality may reduce or not, but it will reduce slightly. So it's a AVI file, and and the compressed file will be of .mp4, so the quality may differ. So let's get started. First of all, you need software named as Handbrake. The link is given in the description. You can download it from there, and then just double click on it, let the program come. The program will look like this, and then what you have to do is go to the source file, open, and then you have to locate the file from the left hand corner. Videos, this is part 7, open, then it will scan, and then what you have to do is go to the video. Over here in container you have to click on MP4, and over here you have to drag the thing, slide it down to 28 RF, and this must be x28 x64, and I have to browse it. I'm just gonna save it to my desktop. I'm just gonna write Freedom Fighters 2, save, and then after that what you have to do, after that you have to go to audio, bitrate 128, and that's it. And next you have to do is start. Over here to write prepare to encode, and then to start. I'm gonna come right back when the encoding is done. And it's almost done, just 2% left, and it's complete. After completion it will locate a we finished, and then you have to close the program and just locate the files right over here. And then first I'll show you the quality, this one, pause it, and then I'll show you the original one. I'll just open it with the so as you can see, I just said that there can be a difference if there's a quality difference. So as you can see, just a little bit difference, but
regroup. Come on,
difference. There's just a little bit difference, and it's not my fault. It's a hand of folder. So I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna show you the size of this file and that file. This file is 40 MB. Miracle, right? Miracle, and that is somewhere around 2.07 GB. Now that's a lot. That's a lot of difference. I mean, and that's a lot difference. This thing and this thing, it's a slight quality difference. So so thank you guys, and I hope you like the video. I'll be uploading more videos, and I'm really very sorry for my kind of bad English, and I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe.